Hello, I'm here to give you a little bit of information and a tour of the Rater Ready schedule and app. So you got this email, you received this link in your email. You can download the app to your smart device or your cell phone, or you can access it on your laptop or desktop computer. When you click here, you'll be asked to enter your SOU email address. And for parents and families, you'll be asked to enter whatever email address it is you registered with. So you'll enter that email address. If you don't enter that email address, it won't work. And then you'll be asked to generate a new password. And that will get you into this event. And this is where all the live sessions will take place on your Rater Ready date. So you probably signed up for either June 25th, July 16th, July 30th, or August 20th. Whatever your event is, there'll be a schedule for that day. This gives an overview of the event, and you can go over your schedule here and take a look at all the times. And when you click on something, you can learn more about what it is. There's a description, who it's for, and then this video stream will come up before about 15 minutes before the session starts. So do take a look around at all the great sessions that we have. I know you're going to get a lot of your questions answered, and you're going to have an opportunity to connect with returning students, new students, and SOU staff. We really want to meet you and help you make a successful transition during this very interesting time. So the information fair is here. You can learn more about that. You'll stop into these rooms. They'll be open on the day of your event. And this is where we'll post some announcements. This is where contact information for all the students attending these events will be. This is a social wall. We've already posed a question for you to answer. And oh, don't forget about the event game. This is pretty neat too, and it's already begun. So we've given you a list of tasks to do. You have to complete them, and you earn points. There's some really great prizes that we're coming up with. So the winner of the event game will be pretty happy. So hit up the polling page, respond to our polls. The bulletin board has some great announcements, job opportunities, campus jobs, things like that. Follow us on our social media, and then of course this is the help desk. If you have any questions throughout this event about how to navigate the event, or any questions that you're not getting answered in specific sessions, feel free to stop by the help desk and post them here, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. So I hope you enjoyed this brief tutorial. Thank you for watching. We will see you at Rater Ready.